Hello again. What's the time? It's time for another Uncle Jeff's Easy-Peasy English lesson, and today we're looking at adverbs. Have a look at this little sentence. Maria's English is excellent. She speaks... What are the missing words? Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? What do you think? Maria's English is excellent. She speaks... The answer is B. She speaks English perfectly. Adverb ends in ly. It goes after the noun or the verb. It's how well she speaks English. So Maria's English is wonderful. It's excellent. She speaks English perfectly. Adverbs in English? Easy peasy. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time on Uncle Jeff's Easy Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.